What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the updated Photos app in iOS 18. The biggest change you'll notice immediately is the redesigned interface. Gone are the familiar library, For You, Albums and Search tabs. Instead, the app now offers a unified experience. When you open the app, you will find yourself in a middle view where you can either scroll up to access all of your photos or scroll down to explore various albums and categories. When you want to manage your photos, you can tap the Select button in the top corner to mark any photos you'd like to share or organize. If you scroll down, the app switches to your library view, where you'll find a Sort button, which helps you organize your photos chronologically or by other criteria. This makes it super easy to find the right image in the right time. As you scroll further down, you will see a set of default organization options, starting with Recent Days. This section groups your photos by day over the past 2 weeks, making it easy to revisit recent events. Next, there is the People and Pets section, which not only organizes photos of your loved ones, but also includes a short video memory that highlights these moments. Below that, you'll find more detailed categories like memories, trips, albums, media types, and utilities. Here's where the Photos app gets really interesting: customization. You can adjust the app's layout to suit your needs. Tap the Customization button at the bottom of the screen to find the customization option. While you can't remove the main photo grid, you're allowed to display up to 10 featured collections at once. This flexibility makes the app feel tailored to your needs. Speaking of customization, if you tend to use certain categories more often, like media types, to access screenshots quickly, you can move them to the top of your view. This way, everything you need is right where you want it. You have complete control over the order and visibility of your collections. Now, let's dive into a feature that might take some getting used to: the new profile view. This section gives you an overview of your library, including how many photos are still syncing with iCloud and what content is available. You can even choose to display specific albums, like the hidden album, or toggle HDR content for enhanced quality. Apple has redesigned this to make managing your photos more intuitive and accessible. When it comes to editing photos, the interface looks slightly different but functions the same as before. Apple removed the Edit button from the top corner and replaced it with a new slider icon at the bottom. You will find all the usual editing options here, with some subtle updates. The new design ensures that photos fit the screen better without any intrusive toolbars, which allows you to view the entire image while you're working on it. Searching for photos has also been enhanced. You can now use natural language search queries, such as photos of Jake at the park, and the app will intelligently pull up relevant images. It's a game changer if you have a large library and often need to find specific moments quickly. Another powerful update is Apple Intelligence, a set of features that leverages machine learning to improve your photo experience. While these features are exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, and later models, it's worth mentioning how they work. The most exciting addition is the Cleanup tool, which automatically removes unwanted objects from your photos, like people in the background or stray cars. Unlike other editing tools that might drastically alter the image, Apple's Cleanup tool is designed to preserve the original intent of the photo while simply improving it. Apple Intelligence also helps you create smart memories. Just by describing the event, like a trip to the beach, the app can generate a memory video that highlights key moments, which it can even narrate with an AI voiceover. That wraps up the major changes and features of the Photos app in iOS 18. Whether you like or dislike the redesign, it's clear that Apple is giving users more control over how they manage their photos. The customization options, the improvements to searching and editing, and the enhanced memory features all make the app more powerful than ever. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.